You'll get the warmest of welcomes at Hotline Heating Services Limited. We're a friendly family business, looking after our customers for more than 28 years, specialising in range cooker servicing and installation, plus landlord certificates, boilers and central heating at competitive prices, covering gas and oil appliances. We combine excellent knowledge and experience with a listening ear, tailoring our services to your needs to get the job right first time, every time. Call one of our friendly team today at Hotline Heating Services Limited.